Good morning, welcome back to the Viezu workshop. Today we've got an Audi A3 in for a remap and dyno. Obviously we're going to strap it down, get the first run done, see what she's doing. Right, just complete the first run. Brake horsepower wise, run 177 brake, so 3 brake off stock, which isn't bad at all. Running 270 foot-pound of torque. So what we'll do now, get the map on it, run it again, see what she's doing. Right, loaded the map, done the second run. She's done really well. Up to 212 brake, 333 foot-pound of torque. So that's an increase of 35 brake horsepower at peak. Torque-wise, she's gone from 267 to 333. So that's a massive 70 foot-pound of torque gain. Right, the Audi's complete. Talked the customer through it. He's over the moon with it. Loves to drive. Really pulls through all the gears. If you do want yours done, just give us a call on 01789 774444 or drop us an email at info@viezu.com. Thanks a lot.